Let's see how we did understanding this material. So the first examples are, we're going to figure out, are they polynomial functions or not? So we're going to look at it, x to the fifth, x to the third, 1/5 x plus 1. So this one is a polynomial function. All the exponents here are positives, so we're good. 10 minus 2a plus 6a to the second. Yes, this is 2. It's not written in decreasing degree, but that's not being asked, so we can move to letter C. X squared plus 2 over x. This is not, because it has a variable in the denominator. So no. I'm just going to draw the arrow. D, so it's curves, it's smooth. This is a polynomial function, so this is yes. And letter E, it's not like missing ink here, but there is a gap. So it does have curves, but because it has a gap, it's not continuous. That's no. The next one is asking us, what is the end behavior for the graph? So I just wrote out the notation, so it'd be a little bit faster to fill in. When I look at this letter A, f of x equals negative x to the third. So it is an odd degree. Odd degree means it's going to go in different directions, and it's a negative, so that means it's going to start up and down. So again, it's odd and negative. So as x approaches negative infinity, f of x is approaching positive infinity. You can put the plus or just put the infinity sign. As x is approaching positive infinity, f of x is approaching negative infinity. Okay. Letter B, 2x to the 6th. And again, this is in decreasing degree. We can trust that this is a even degree, and the leading coefficient is positive. So even means it has the same end behavior, and because it's positive, it starts up and ends up. So f of x approaches negative infinity. Sorry, as x approaches negative infinity, f of x approaches positive infinity. And as it approaches positive, f of x approaches positive again. Okay, that just looks like I made a minus sign there, so let me fix that. All right, and the last thing, we're going to look at the graph. We're going to figure out what the degree is and what the leading coefficient is, positive or negative. So I like doing the degree part first. If I look at that, I notice it has different end behavior, so I know I can say, hey, this is an odd degree. And it starts up, ends down. So it starts up, ends down. That means the leading coefficient is negative. Okay, and letter B, this has the same end behavior. So that means it's going to be an even degree. And because it's up, up, it's a positive leading coefficient. So that's it for section 5.3.